Ever felt stuck mid-sentence because the right English word just vanished from your mind? Or maybe you speak English but still worry, am I saying it right? Well, you're not alone. And you're definitely not helpless. Stick with us till the end because tip number 10 is the one even fluent speakers often overlook, and it changes everything. Let's dive in. Fluency comes from consistency, not perfection. Set aside at least 10 minutes a day just to speak out loud. Talk to yourself, describe what you're doing, narrate your day, or speak in front of a mirror. No partner, no problem. You are your best practice partner. Stop translating in your head. That's what slows you down. Start thinking in English instead. For example, when you see a cup, don't think taza or tasse. Just think cup. Build your English mind, not just vocabulary. Language shadowing is when you repeat after a native speaker in real time. Pick a video or podcast and mimic everything. Tone, speed, pauses. It trains your brain and mouth to work in sync. It's like singing along, but for speaking skills. Vocabulary is important, but what's more powerful is learning chunks or phrases. Instead of learning appreciate, learn I really appreciate it, or I appreciate your help. These ready-made phrases make you sound more fluent instantly. This feels weird at first, but it's gold. Record a 1-minute talk on any topic, then listen to it. You'll hear what's good and what needs work. Over time, you'll notice smoother sentences and more confidence in your tone. Don't rush. Speaking fast doesn't mean fluent. It just increases mistakes. Speak slower and more clearly. This gives you time to think, breathe, and sound more confident. Guess what? Every fluent speaker, including native ones, makes mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying. So instead of aiming for perfect English, aim for better communication. Fluency follows courage. Guess what? Every fluent speaker, including native ones, makes mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying. So instead of aiming for perfect English, aim for better communication. Fluency follows courage. Practice with real people. Join language exchange groups, conversation classes, or use apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or even Zoom practice sessions. It's not just what you know, it's what you use that counts. Use tools like Uglish or Google's pronunciation checker. Record your voice, compare it, and tweak your sound. Focus on stress, intonation, and rhythm. These are key to sounding natural. This is the secret sauce. Native speakers pause. They say, you know, or I mean. Instead of panicking in silence, use natural pauses and fillers. Let me think, or that's a good question. These make your English more human and less robotic. So which tip are you going to try first? Or better, try all 10 this week and tell me what changed. And remember, fluency is not a gift, it's a daily decision. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe.